Hello beauties! Welcome to my first ever skincare video and it's partnered with TEAMI. I'm reviewing their green tea detox mask. Here is a look at my bare skin. It is far from perfect. The past month has been extremely hard on me and I've been breaking out a lot on my cheeks and I also have a few acne scars. Definitely a perfect time for a face mask. So to start off, I'm going to dampen my face with some water as the instruction says. And then I'm going to apply it using a brush. And it smells really good. And it's a bentonite and kaolin based mask. And it also has vitamin A, matcha, of course green tea. There's aloe vera. There is almond oil, just to name a few. And this mask has a really nice tingling sensation. It almost feels like it's a warming type clay mask. And I left it on my face for about 15 minutes until it dried up. And then I went in with some warm water and rinsed it off clean. And also I used a rag just to help me get everything off. And here's my bestie. She had to try it with me because we are both skincare junkies. And as you can see is my face, it looks better. I did try it for 2 days because I wanted to really make sure that this mask was going to do something for me and I want to see some results. Now, you can do this about 1 to 4 times a week as the box said. I did it twice in 1 week. I didn't want to overdo it on my face because I am a little bit sensitive and my skin does dry out very easily. We are in love with this mask. With the warming sensation that you get once you put it on your skin, it doesn't pull. It just feels so nice and creamy. And it takes away all the oiliness. It shrinks my pores. It's going to be done soon because my bestie is just like, I need some more. We're doing this twice a week before bedtime and you guys can see my skin. It's looking so much better even though I do have a new pimple. I love this TEAMI detox mask. I want to thank you guys so much for watching and I'll see you for the next video. Bye beauties.